we have this massive, probably the biggest package that I've unboxed on this channel so far. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Bape Supreme, UK's biggest Hypebeast, back again with another YouTube video in another different location. I am still trying to sort out my whole life in this new apartment, and an apartment tour is coming very, very soon. So make sure you look forward to that. If you're new around here, make sure you subscribe right now. And I'm gonna give you a little treat and a little task. If we get this video to 1,500 likes, only 1,500 likes in the next 24 hours, I am gonna post the Digi Supreme drop where I spent about £10,000 in one day. I went to both Supreme and Dover Street Market. I even went into Dover Street Market, like behind the counter, and started like reviewing the products, meeting up with kids who I was actually buying stuff off, so all the deals. It was just such a good day, and I'm gonna show you everything that I picked up. It was an absolute madness day. So if you wanna see that, subscribe right now. Smash 15,000 likes. Oh, I wish I was that famous. 1,500 likes, and you'll get another video tomorrow. What we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna announce real quick. We're gonna do a quick flashback to Soho, to Supreme, where I announce how you're gonna win one of these. And we're gonna go to that announcement right now. Right now we are in Soho, London. Obviously I just filmed the craziest day ever. The day is just like winding down right now. But in this video, as you can see, I promised you guys a giveaway earlier this week in my video. Me and Bump, massive shout out to Bump, they are sponsoring this video. Me and Bump are giving away this box logo for retail. It is very, very simple. What you have to do is you have to download Bump. My internet's not working, that's not the vibe. You have to download Bump, you gotta follow me on Bump, and you gotta follow Bump on Bump. Does that make sense? It should make sense. And then, in the next 24 hours after I post this video, I'm gonna list this box logo for retail. So, turn on your post notification. Why? Make sure you turn on those post notifications on my account. It looks like this. I'm gonna put a screen recording here so you understand what I mean. Make sure you be quick. Massive shout out to Bump. Link is down below. Hopefully one of you can win it. You dig? I did promise you. Bye. Okay, so yeah, as you just saw, I secured a proxy on the Bump app to get that t-shirt for you guys to win. And yeah, the proxy system on Bump is really simple. All you have to do is you go onto the app, you hit the proxy section, and you can use it for anything. It's not just Supreme, but it's way better than getting a proxy than rather paying like resale price. It can go up, it can go down, but when you secure a proxy on the app, it can be way cheaper because proxy is kind of normally you pay up front, so you give them the amount plus a little bit on top, and usually it works out way cheaper than retail price. So guys, that's the giveaway. I really hope you guys appreciate it. I really wanted to give away a box logo this week. I wanted to cop a box logo this week. I wanted to raffle off some box logos. So as I said again, smash 1,500 likes within 24 hours and you guys will receive another video tomorrow. I'm on the grind. I'm doing my very best to post, to create content, to create Instagram content whilst moving in to my new 2-bedroom apartment with loads of space. I've got to fill it up, I've got to buy loads of stuff. This room is still a mess. There's clothes all on the floor there. I'm living out of bags. I don't have any wardrobes in this new place yet. I just ordered them yesterday. So as I said, make sure you look forward to that apartment tour. It's just a major vibe, people. It's a major vibe. I'm so happy right now. And what better way to carry on this video and start this video pretty much with some Hypebeast unboxings. I've got a few packages here. And then the first day I moved into this apartment, I unboxed like 12 packages because whilst I was in LA, I knew I was moving into this place as soon as I landed. So I was buying loads of stuff, loads of cool Hypebeast stuff for my apartment, bare bricks and just etc. Right? There's a massive package in this video, so make sure you stay tuned to the end. And what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna start with these packages, then we're gonna flash back to the first day that I was here where I opened like another 15 packages or 10 packages, however many it was. Let's get into it. Yeah. The first package right here we have, I did buy this whilst I was in LA. It was just this mini Supreme scale. Obviously, every time Supreme releases some accessories, I always do my best to get at least one, I like having multiples just because it's cool. If you know what these are for, then you already know. If you don't know, then don't worry. It's a scale. When you go to the airport, you put your suitcase on it, alright? And you can see if you've gone over 20 kg, fam. There's no way you have to put batteries in it. Are you serious? What a scam! Okay, Supreme didn't scam me there. Oh, you gotta take out this plastic thing. Now it turns on, there you go. Honestly, I'm pretty sure these are some more scales. I don't know where my Supreme knife is. I definitely need my Supreme knife. Supreme knife, we managed to find it. Yo, no way. That is a major vibe. Yes, we got the Supreme Digi scale, and I'm actually gonna list this on my Bump account, okay? And we have a Supreme ball. Like, the Supreme bouncy ball is only supposed to be for week 1 orders. This is week 3, and they must have still had them in the warehouse, so fire. as a little bonus for you guys, I'm gonna list the scale up and I'm gonna list a little bouncy ball up. Just for you guys, if you didn't manage to cop, then you can go and cop off of me. What we have right here is a package from K-Way and Kappa. Now, if you don't know, I did a campaign recently with K-Way and Kappa, and honestly, Kappa is back, fam, no joke. They just delivered it to me, so thank you so much, Kappa. I'm sure you guys know. If you don't know what Kappa is this logo right here. Now, I'm sure you've seen this logo, and recently they've been doing collabs with like Marco Bellon, which is a fashion designer, and now K-Way. I really like these track pant joggers. They're actually like sweatpants, they're not really track pants. But this Kappa like strip on the side is actually too fire, like with the orange and the yellow and the navy, and then obviously the traditional Kappa logo. Then you got the K-Way right here. This is my favorite item from the drop. So these are actually pretty hype. I actually really like this color. They sent me the track jacket, which, fam, is definitely gonna start raining very soon. This to me is way better than Adidas stripes, 100%. Do I look swag? So yeah, this track jacket, pretty fire, honestly. I really like it. If you want to check that out, then do check that out. Kappa is actually definitely on the rise. But this box right here, I have definitely been looking forward to now. Don't go anywhere, because in this box, oh, it's a vibe. I wonder if he gave me any extra goodies. This is from Saru General. Oh, yo, he did give me some extra goodies that I didn't ask for. Okay, so first of all, I have this Bape coaster for my mug. Now, it's just, or anything, it's just a Bape coaster. I really appreciate it. I actually didn't buy this. He gave me it as a little gift that I didn't know about. So this is a bit of a mystery box. He gave me a couple things in here that I can see that I don't remember ordering. I only ordered 3 things, and there's more than 3 things in here. Bape coaster, just a little something that I actually really appreciate. Another item, yo, this is fire, bro. A Bape doorstop, come on. Let me go and do this and see if this works right here. This is the doorstop right here, this Bape, and then you just stick it in there. So my door never opens. My door will never be opening because my curtain right here kind of like blocks the door, so I can't open the door, because if I open the door, then I break like the curtain. So it is pretty much just for show. Look at that right there. Just a little fire accessory that no one will really have. So shout out to Saru General for that. This little mini mystery box is not over. What is this? Oh, that's sick. Some ape like shoe sticker. Oh, fire. I did not buy these. He gave me these. No way. Oh my God. I thought this was playing cards. Playing dice. These Bape dice. This is why I like Bape so much and Bape accessories, because their accessories really, for me, they go more out the box than Supreme. Honestly, I think Supreme execute them better, but the ideas that Bape come up with, Bape dice. What else do we have here? This is a little accessory that I had to buy just for the aesthetic look. Now, I don't even smoke, right? But just look how clean that will look. Right there on the coffee table, Supreme. As soon as you come to my living room, you see Supreme everywhere. This is not even gonna be used as an ashtray. I'm probably gonna put my keys on there, my wallet, my AirPods, just so I never forget them when I leave the house. Fire, Supreme ashtray, but we're gonna call it a Supreme organizer tray. Now in here, I did buy these. Now this is something that was really expensive. Oh, these are sick. These are Supreme. These are gold Supreme playing cards. Now these go for like $250, I swear to God. Saru General, he did hook me up on the price a little bit, but I still had to pay quite a bit for some playing cards. Now, these are definitely the best playing cards I have ever seen. Again, something for the coffee table. Just look at these are sick. I really wasted too much money on that. And now the last item we have in here is, I don't know how big this is, but I feel like it's not that big. This is a Supreme fleece blanket thing. Now I thought it was gonna be bigger, but this is pretty cool. Again, I'm just gonna have this like on my sofa or something like that. You dig? Yeah, it is. So what we have right here, Supreme fleece, Supreme playing cards, Bape dice, ashtray, but I'm gonna use it as an organizer thing. 3 scales, which these 2 are on my bump for sale right now. A bouncy ball, which I didn't expect. Bape coaster, which I didn't expect. Another scale, which I'm gonna keep just because I need to collect every Supreme accessory. Oh, no, I didn't. No, I didn't just do that. Oh my God. Why?
1 eternity later.
Okay, they're back in the box. I'm over it. Now this video is not over. What we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna flashback to the first day I got to this apartment where I had probably the biggest Hypebeast box I've ever unopened. Who says that? Plus another like 10 packages that I unboxed the first day I was here. Please do excuse the background of the video, excuse the camera, excuse the lighting. I swear to God I'd been in my new apartment for about 10 minutes when I decided to unbox all of these. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna see you 3 days ago. Goodbye, I'll see you 3 days ago. Bye. But right now, I need to sort my house out right now. It's in a very, very bad way. But yeah, before I sort my house out and do all that, we've got packages to unbox. Babe, should I do an unboxing right now? No. I'm gonna have to.
Babe, what the f?
I have to do an unboxing.
No, I don't.
The subscribers need an unboxing.
No. Get the house right
No,
now.
because honestly, unboxing for the subscribers, way more important than sorting out my new place. She's a hater. We're gonna do an unboxing right now. Okay guys, so I'm managing to film a video within the first 10 minutes of being here. For some reason, this one's already open. This is for the house, for the new house. This is why I decided to buy this. I've wanted this for the longest time. We have the Supreme Gons basketball. Massive shout out Vivian and Famous Grail. Hooked me up with this Supreme Gons basketball for a stupid steal. And then he gave me a bit of a housewarming gift. Something I need for my desk. Off-white notepad. He actually gave me this for free as I bought the ball. So thank you for that. I got this in LA. I only showed you guys it in the box. So let's take it out of the box. Look at this, geezer, look at him. This is a little baby Milo, little statue. Again, something really cool. I just want to like display it for my office. Natalie keeps jingling around in the kitchen. But 100 bucks, I thought he was cool. Here's another baby Milo Bape notepad. Pretty cool, they've got all these notepads inside. I just wanted this for my desk again. More desk essentials. Who packages a package like this? I have no idea what this is. Nuh-uh. No way. So, in that package was this Supreme bowl, because I already have one, but I wanted another one just for my new place. It was a steal, and so I bought it. It's in half.
No, it's not.
You see this? Whoever I bought this off, just know I want a refund. It is in half. No, 9 out of 10. Condition does not mean in half. Moving on, I bought these kid candles, again something for the house from the LA kids store. I actually got 2 of these. These are swag, they were like $40 each, wrapped in tissue roll. Oh yeah, dude. Guys, if you didn't know, when I was in school, I pretty much like failed my exams because I was like addicted to Call of Duty. Like up until like Black Ops 3, I played like everyone like crazy. Anyway, this new Call of Duty Black Ops 4, it looks so good. I went ahead and bought a custom modded controller by Scarf. This is not even paid, like I actually went out of my way and bought one of these. Oh, it's a major vibe. So this is my new PlayStation controller. Yeah, I'm the biggest nerd. After I saw the trailer and after I've been seeing gameplay of Black Ops 4, like I just wanted to get back into it, and I just want to, maybe I'll do a video on it like when it comes out, I don't know. I customized these colors myself too, so it's got like the graphite grey with the dark blue and the light blue. Tell me what you think of it. I thought it was sick. Oh, this is a very Hypebeast item right here. And have you seen the size of this package right here? We're gonna leave that one till the end. And I decided for my new place that I would get some more bear bricks. Now these bear bricks are a set. One's white and black, one's black and white. And they're actually a collab with Fragment, which is just too fire. So let's open this up. Oh my God, and something else about these. These were 50% off. So these are normally, oh, and it comes with a little geezer as well. You get the big one, which is normally 160 on its own, plus the little one for 80 euros. So I was just like, bruh, I cannot pass up on this. So we get the little one right here. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the white and black set. My man's friend, again, the black one with the small one. I'm gonna put, bigger cell. Ha! Vibes. Guys, I already told you, Black Ops 4, so I had to get these Turtle Beaches for my PlayStation, the Stealth 700s. I don't know, they were about like 110 pounds. They're wireless as well, which is pretty sick because I hate having cables everywhere. And so I got wireless ones, are gonna look way, way better. Like, link these to my scarf. Big vibes. Ooh. This is super heavy. Pretty much all this stuff was for this new apartment because, I don't know, I just want cool gadgets or cool stuff to look at, little ornaments, like little Hypebeast things around the house. The Apple HomePod, and you like speak to it and it plays the music for you. It's a speaker obviously too. You can speak to Siri. You link it to your Apple Music, link it to your iPhone. It just looks like a black blob. That's because it is. We have this massive, probably the biggest package that I've unboxed on this channel so far. It's already open. What a scam. Here we go. I need your help. Look at this geezer.
Let me see.
Oh, he is a vibe. This is the baby that me and Natalie spoke about in the last video.
Should have got some baby stuff for your guys' baby.
I don't. You guys didn't know they're having a baby.
Okay, stop. That's the end. Babe, are we having a baby?
Yes.
What? You were literally supposed to be like, no. Wait, what?
Just not joking.
Wait, what? You haven't told me? Dude, you gonna sit down on the sofa with us? Oh my god, this is sick. So, what this is a 1000% Bear Brick. It's an Atmos collab with all these little stars in it. I thought it was cool. He's got stars in his eyes and then he's all got stars in his stomach. So I just thought that we can put this next to our TV or something like that and it will look really, really cool in our living room. Loads of Bear Bricks, loads of packs. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Bumper giveaway, me and Bumper giving away that box logo as I already said. All you have to do again, subscribe right now to this YouTube channel, download Bump, follow me on Bump, follow Bump on Bump, very, very simple. Guys, peace out. Again, smash, as Jacob Star says, smash that like button. If my mum watched me do that, she'd be ashamed. Real talk, let's get this video to 1,500 likes if we can. If you want another upload tomorrow, if not, it'll be the next day. So smash the like button. Guys, peace out. It's been your boy, UK's biggest hypebeast, Ari Petru. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a vibe. Me, you, vibing. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.